Namaste. I'm Javin Diksha Saxena, Assistant Professor of Journalism Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will learn types of advertising. So advertising is also classified according to their functions and some role. Some of important classifications of advertising are like first is social advertising. Social advertising is undertaken by non-commercial organization such as trust, societies, association, etc. The main objective of social advertising is to work for social cause. Advertisement for collecting donation for war victims or for victims of natural calamities, sales of tickets for show, etc. are example of social advertising. Second is political advertising. Political advertising is undertaken by political parties to motivate the general public in favor of the ideology of the party in questions. Political advertising or intensively made during elections times to gain favor of the votes. Such advertising promote plans and policies of the concerned party. It also try to expose weakness of the opposition with a view to convince the voters to vote for their party's candidates. Some political party advertisement are also made to assist the government to advertise our government to implement its schemes for schemes for a natural reconstruction. Mumbai Regional Congress Committee, children, there are so many parties for advertising. Next is advertising by Google, like Pond's Age Miracle. Look, these are the example I've already given you in the notes. Fifth is retail advertising. Retail advertising is the advertising by retailers who usually sells good direct to the customers. Retail advertising has such objectives like to sell the stock, to establish the identify of business, to attract personal telephone or mail orders shoppers. Retail advertising is done through window display, neon signs, posters. There's so many. It is usually local in characters. The various advertising approaches to of Asiatic department stores are the example of retail advertising. Financial advertising is when advertising messages is direct to attract the rising capital. It is called financial advertising. The bank, insurance companies, and commercial undertakings collect required funds from the saving of the people by motivating them to postpone present expenditure of the future. An investor can consider two things before investing his hard earned savings: safety of investment, return on investment. The safety of investment depends upon the reputation and goodwill of the company and the properties posed by it. The institutional advertising helps in the creating confidence in the minds of the investor. The investors, the financial advertising informs the investors about the past performance in declares in dividends and the trends in declaring of dividend. The dividends depends upon the profitability of the company. The company with the help of the charts, diagrams, etc. communicate the rate of the growth and rate at which profit is increasing. The financial advertising aim at establishing financial solvency of the company in the minds of the in the of the investors. It is because of financial advertising the company have succeeded in floating of mega issue of uh, shares in crores. The financial advertising aims the establishing financial solvency of the company in the minds of the perception investors in the because of financial exports. Essential of the success financial ad no financial and campaign, however creative it may be, can produce the desired result unless the following conditions are satisfied, like the performance and image of the company and its future prospects must be good. The premium charged on the share picks must be fair and responsible and reasonable. The broker and underwriters must extend qualified support to the company. The company should get wide publicity from the press through press conferences, through statements of facts and the made in the ads. Next, advantage of financial advertising. Financial advertising transmit to target consumers all the materials information about new investment opportunities for investment of savings or surplus funds. It provides education and guides to consumers in respect of their investors investment in shares, debentures, and public funds of companies. It serves a reminder to consumer to take a suitable follow-up action on their part. It helps to tap yet untapped rich areas in many metros, small towns, and even in villages for financial institutions. As financial ads are required to give the required in the information about the aims, objective, business operation for which additional funds are required by the advertiser. The company yet wide publicity through such ads. Financial advertising serve as a backbone to broke brokers as well as underwriters who as between the advertiser and the clients. Next are corporate image advertising. Corporate image advertising is designed or aim to create proper attitude towards the seller and build goodwill or image the advertiser, manufacturing concern and selling concern rather than a sale of a specific product of services. Institutional advertising is done to build a good public relation image in the market to marketer and patronage for its product to products. Institutional advertising can therefore be patronage advertising and public relation services advertising. Public relations institutional advertising is aimed to create a favorable image of the company, which means advertisers, among employees, investors of general public services. Institutional advertising aims at changing the attitudes or behavior of the people to the good of the community and public at large. Next is public relation advertising. It is a part of institutional advertising. The basic of objective of public relations advertising is to establish cordial and healthy relation with the customers, bankers, suppliers, government, patrons, and general public. Next is institution advertising. We already learned institutional advertising is the object of institutional advertising to build and manufacture reputation in the minds of the public in general. Next is internet advertising. Internet advertising, the internet facility has been around for some 30 years. It actually began in the early 1960s in USA, where the US Department of Defense saw it as a means of supercomputer communication for research and military facilities across the country. Until the commercial explosion in 1990s, the internet remained a relatively obscure network of linked computers and is primary demand advertising. The main objective of primary demand advertising is to create demand for new product or product category. This is necessary in the case of newly developed product or the produced or the product which are costly in nature. For example, cars, refrigerator, washing machine, watches, etc. Such advertising is direct towards a class of customers. It is also described as selective demand advertising. It is heavily utilized during the introduction stage of product life cycle. Next is selective demand advertising. Selective demand advertising is done to meet the growing competition, mainly in growth stage of the life cycle of the product. Here is The goal of advertising is to push the demand of specific products or services. Often, promotion becomes less informative, media emotional during the phase. Advertising may begin to sub, to stress difference in brands with emphasis on brand names. Recall at this stage may also be used as a weapon because products all of the competitors are almost similar in quality. Selective demand is when a prospect has a need, has identified the need, it's and is actively seeking out of a solution. In their cases, the prospects will come to you if he feels comfortable in your company ability to solve his needs. When someone has selective demand, they are more productive in their search for information. They usually give themselves enough time to cooperate, to compare the quality, value, and offers the different companies. So while they are calling you, they are also likely calling others as well. uh, 13 Next is product advertising. Product advertising is refer to the advertising of tangible product. It is for the marketing of the product. Advertising has a powerful instrument has emerged. Product may be anything in which a trader deals or trade. A products may be tangible for intangible products like radio, soap, pen, clothes, etc. are tangible products. Services of professional peoples like doctors, lawyers, engineers are intangible products. The fundamentals of any advertising campaign is to establish the fact that among the suitable substitutes, the product advertised is the best. Thus, product is the heart of any advertising program. Advertising makes possible to the smooth entry of the new product in the market. Next is service advertising. Service advertising is designed to operate in the public interest, is the undertaken to seek public welfare and social development. It is the nature of non-commercial institutional advertising. In the type of advertising, the objective is objective is to put across message intent to change attitude or behavior, and as a result benefit the public at large. It is generally used by government and other organization to promote public welfare. We often come across advertisements focusing on the needs of the small family, norms, functional literacy, and environmental sensation, for so on. The government of India and many industries houses have been sponsoring advertising campaign or to family planning programs, national programs, employment assistance schemes, cleanliness campaigns, need for vaccinations, anti-dowry causes. There's so many programs today. Most of the manufacturers are and businessmen have also started issuing advertisement in the investment of the public. Next is national advertising. It is generally undertaken by manufacturers of branded goods for which advertising messages is communicated to customers or consumers all over the country. Almost almost all possible mass media, including national newspapers, radio, and television network, are the employed for national advertising products, services, and ideas which have demand all the country are the suitable for national advertising in the India. Indian Airline, Hindustan Lever Limited, Vico, Godrej, Bajaj. There are so many companies. Likewise, soaps, toothpaste, cosmetics, scooters, cars, bicycle are some of the products which are advertised all over the country. Retail advertising is the advertising by retailers who usually sell goods direct to the customers. Retail advertising has such objective as: first is sale to stock, to establish the identity for business, attract the personal telephone or mail. These are the retail advertisements. So in the next video we will learn so in the next video we will learn advertising media. What is advertising media? So thank you.